What's up, everybody? This is Nick, and only Nick, as Tommy Tech at HQ has taken a bit of a hit today. We were struggling with internet connection, but today's an exciting day. It is launch day for the product HyperClean Juice. This is a product we worked on for a long time. It's going to solve some very, very basic issues that most of us are having. This is a detail spray, a drying aid, a finish spray to get a certain look on your car after you get done washing it. Why did we create this product is probably the first thing to get into. So, one of the things that I talked to Marty and the team at HQ about, this is probably close to 6, 8, 12 months ago, is the need to take an old school detail spray for those of you that used it and to actually make it new school. How do we make this the new school part of our lineup? And so we have products like Slick and Spray Coat that are sort of in that get some more months out of it, spray sealant type of families. But I wanted something that could be used all the time. Anytime I wash the car, I wanted super slick. I wanted a crazy gloss look. And I also wanted some features that remove some of the spray sealant problems. What do we see from spray sealants? We see they clog your towels. In some cases, and we just had one recently at the shop that was under this exact problem, they clog coatings and you start to get the behavior of the spray sealant and not the behavior of your ceramic coating. So when you think of juice as sort of like the in between. It's going to last you a month or two on the surface, but I'm not concerned about that. I just want my car to look great after I get done washing my car. I want my towel to be super slick on the surface. I want the paint to be super slick on the surface like the coating is supposed to be. Or if you don't have a coating and you just want to use this once or twice a month when you wash your car, you will get an insanely slick surface. And so what the team has achieved here is actually a big step for us. This is the most slick I've ever felt any of these sprays. And why is that important? There's no drag on the towel that induces marring. One of the big things I see from spray sealants on the market, because you got to remember, spray sealants are trying to achieve a lot in a water based formula. I've said it a million times on this podcast with products like Stack and Uno. I don't really understand why you would choose a spray sealant all of that often as like, this is going to be my only protection. And the reason is simple. A lot of spray sealants leave a little haze behind, leave a little streaking behind. You got to buff the car a whole lot. Well, when you have to buff the car a ton to get the spray sealant to lay down, you look and go, well, I just marred the surface with my towel. Then you go to wash your towel and your towel is clogged and now it doesn't work so well ever again. And so we're trying to achieve a lot with spray sealants. And I think it's absolutely getting to the point where we have to ask ourselves, what are we trying to achieve in the moment? So my team has been using this almost exclusively for 6 months. We don't really use Slick unless that's a customer that we know we're not going to see and they need an insane amount of protection or try to get more protection, but we're mostly putting those people in Stack. So what do I use this for? We use it on everything. You can use this on glass, on paint, on trim. You're going to see no streaking left behind, but you're going to get an insanely slick surface. Like think of it like fresh wax or a fresh coating. You're going to get that feel. And so one of the most important things about this is that drying aid, final spray. If you want to completely blow the car off and then go back and do just a really complete layer of it, it is going to work with everything. It's great on PPF. It's great on vinyl wrap. We have it in one of the biggest wrap shops in America. They've been using it for months as a test subject, and they're putting it on all their wraps. They're putting it on the whole car after they wrap the car, which they weren't really doing prior to this product. They were using a competitor's product and started to notice some adverse reaction. This does not replace something like spray coat because it's applied differently. But I think you guys are going to find way more uses for this product and just making your life easier. You have like light dusting. You get to the end of the detail and maybe some dust has settled. You can feel confident using this. If it's a lot of dust, we'd obviously push it to Eco 1, clean it off, and then go over it with this, or use Eco 1 in rinseless or waterless form and then go over with a little coat of this. But I think it's one of the most important things that I kind of explain what I think has happened in this, internet trying to test every product and how long does this spray last and how long does this spray last. And we've gotten to like a worse situation in a lot of cases where if you look at where I kind of want this product to sit is like friendly to use all the time. Use it after every single one of your washes. Whether you do rinseless, whether you do traditional wash with soap, use it all the time. And don't worry about, is this going to last 6 months? Because I have news for you. We've tested all the spray sealants on the market. That's part of our job as a manufacturer. None of them last 6 months. Okay, it's a water-based formula. There are limitations to it. Can it last up to 6 months with one application? Yeah, if it's a garage queen and when you take it out, you bring it home, you wash it again, and you do another application. Oh, wait a minute, I just did another application. So did I really do one application? I've never been somebody that's told you guys to try to stretch spray coat or stretch slick and promise all of these months. It's great. Spray coat lasts a fairly long time for water-based. Slick lasts a long time. So I understand that we have products that do last longer than this. But a lot of times I get questions about, well, how often should I do spray coat or how often should I do slick? With juice, there's no question. Every time you wash the vehicle, just if you want to have a nice way to finish out your car, just use juice. I think once you guys feel the slickness, you're going to get insanely addicted to the feeling of the paint, the slickness when you use it. You're going to use it more and more. You're going to want to use it every time. And that's sort of the purpose, is to go back to what detail sprays used to be, except take all the new technologies and make them modern. And the team, Marty and the team at HQ, absolutely killed it on this. Great smell to the product, great user experience, and it's so insanely slick. I can't say that enough. You're going to love it. The important part about the towel thing, part of the thing that gets frustrating when you're using spray sealants is how it ruins towels. And I know all of you have seen towels have gotten more and more expensive. They're things that you want to last a much longer time than maybe years past, because look, some of these towels that we sell and other people sell, you can spend 15, 20, 25 bucks on a towel, go use a spray sealant, and all of a sudden your towel doesn't ever work the same. And you try things and you put vinegar in and use this, soap, this special thing, and the towel's just sort of never the same. In some cases, you don't even like using it again. So we've eliminated that with this formula. We've eliminated towel drag on the surface. The number one reason, aside from your wash procedure, that marring gets induced is your towel dragging on the surface of your car. So spray 2, 3, 4 sprays on a panel, go over it. You'll notice there's no drag on the towel. The towel's extremely slick from the very first time that you start to wipe it, which allows to not have any marring or greatly reduce marring on the surface. These are important things when so many of us spend much time trying to perfect cars, or we just want our car to look our best, or our customer's car to look our best. You're going to be able to achieve that with this product. You're not going to have, you got soft black GM paint, one towel drag from a spray sealant or something just not being slick right immediately when you start wiping the towel, you're going to induce a little marring. I know some of you have probably gone through that when you're trying to clean up after just doing some correction passes, and you're like, oh, I just marred where I polished, and I got to polish again. And so we have all of these different factors. And the one thing I'm proud of is I care about user experience for myself, for all of you, for my guys, for everybody that has to touch our products. It has to pass the test. So the interesting thing is, while we were waiting for some raw ingredients, my guys ran out of this product and they were not happy. They just were pretty furious. And I called Marty and I'm like, hey man, you have got to get me more products. So we have been making this for a very long time. We've been testing it for a very long time. Some of you listening were part of that testing group. And I can't thank all of you enough for the feedback as we build out a more reliable, a more trustworthy group that are in more humid climates, less sunny climates, colder climates, warmer climates. All of you are a big part of this as well. And the feedback is we really don't have a lot of products like this on the market because, again, we're trying to achieve a lot as an industry out of water-based sprays. And I think if you guys have used a product like Stack, we needed a product like this. Let's get back to the simple. Let's make our life more simple. Let's still provide a look, a level of protection, but let's not go overboard. Let's clean up that ingredient list. Let's clean up all of the stuff that goes into making a spray sealant, and let's make something that just makes sense to use more consistently. So I think a lot of you are going to be blown away at what we've come up with here. It's on sale now. It's ready to go. It's on the website. You'll start to see promotional videos and videos that we shot at different shops working on different cars, and our team has worked really hard on those. But I think it's really important. So I'll leave you guys with a story. So we had a black Bentley come into the shop about 4 or 5 weeks ago now. And I couldn't understand why the car just looked cloudy. I couldn't explain it. I couldn't see it. I saw a few smear marks, but that wasn't enough for the car to kind of look cloudy. If you've never seen Bentley black, if it's not done well, meaning like there's something on the surface, it'll get this cloudy look. So I was used to seeing that, but it looked a little different. So we stripped the car down, used all kinds of cleanse and a really deep, thorough wash. We decontaminated the car with Fuego, and the cloudiness disappeared. I then brought it into the shop and I did a wipe down with wipe. Now the cloudiness was gone. So I call the customer, who I don't know that well. He was referred to us as just having a problem. We didn't install the coating. We didn't care for the car, any of that kind of thing. And I said, hey, man, what are you using to maintain the car? He says the soap. It's a fairly average soap. And then he says this spray sealant from a company. And I go, hey, man, stop using that product. Okay. I said, you have to stop using that product. I think that product is causing the cloudiness in your paint. He kind of argues back and forth. I said, hey, come pick the car up. I'll leave you with a bottle of this product that we have unreleased and bring the car back 3 or 4 weeks later. About a week ago, he brought the car back. The car looks immaculate. He couldn't believe it. He told me he didn't trust me when I told him what I thought was happening. So some of the lack of clarity that we're seeing in cars, even well cared for cars, because this guy cared about his car, is using products that don't finish down to a certain level because they're trying to add all this protection. I said, hey, man, you have a coating on the car. You didn't need all this extra protection. The company they had do the install, which was based out of Los Angeles, really sold this one type of sealant, sold this one type of coating system. And what turns out is that his car was looking worse because he was trying to achieve something he didn't need. And also, all of the things in that formula probably aren't the highest grade and it's not the best formula, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. You guys have heard those things here. So what I did is strip the car down, like I said, sent him home with juice. He washed the car. So he had the car a total of 4 weeks after we got out of the shop. He is a wash weekly guy. We are in the middle of pollen season, high wind season, dust, all that kind of stuff. So he washed his car every week. Through 4 washes, his car, to him, and these were his words, has never looked this great. And he goes, well, what am I missing? And what he's missing was he was recommended something that had a lot of stuff trying to achieve a lot of things he didn't need to achieve. He could have just used juice every week and he would have been fine, as good as well as he keeps the car. But obviously coated car protection, all that kind of stuff is important to him. So my point to this is some of this stuff is actually harming the look of the vehicle. And I'm not going to go into what company it is or any of that kind of stuff, but we got away from simple and now we're bringing simple back. This is something you're going to see nice water behavior if you have no protection. If you do have a coated car, you're going to get the coating protection. This is not going to sit and clog it up. It's not doesn't have all of these kind of filler protection type of things. So your coating is going to look like a coated vehicle. If you have a non-coated vehicle and you just wash it once or twice a month or once a month, use juice, you're good to go, right? It's not just for coated or uncoated, but for the coated cars out there, you're going to see an insane clarity. You're not going to see this sort of sealant buildup, which largely we don't talk about very often. And you're going to have this insane slick behavior while you're taking care of the car, wiping it down, getting it to look how you want it to look. I'm incredibly excited about this. I think it's one of the products we've executed the best internally, right? It's sort of like AWX. As we grow as a company, the things we want to achieve, we're becoming better at achieving. That is, Marshall and the team at HQ are doing an excellent job of taking concept and getting it into reality. This is one of those products. Again, hypercleanstore.com. Go check it out. I think you guys will love it. It's for sale now. And sorry we didn't have a longer episode. Marshall had some technical issues, and it's just me today. And again, I want to thank all of you guys for continuing to support us in this journey and making these products in-house, making things in America, which is very important to us. And I can't thank you all enough. Go check out Juice and look forward to all the pictures and HyperClean Specialists on Facebook.